Hey guys,
hard to open.
so I'm gonna make my package video from Hayes Clay, and it's pre-opened. So we'll start with the charm, and she gave me this Frida Kuma head, this Mickey Mouse plushie, this plushie. Wow, I meant chibi. This Pikachu chibi, and this unicorn head. And she gave me this origami paper, and it's pre-printed, so when you make the animals, it will be like this one is the cat and a pig, so they like this. This memo paper down here is Rilakkuma, and right here is Hello Kitty, and there's a bunch of different ones, and up here is We Love Suits Time. And then she gave me some felt for making plushies. She gave me purple, red, black, yellow, and green. Sorry if I'm going sort of fast. I'm sorry in a rush. And then the last thing, she gave me this fruits notebook. I'm not really going to get into detail. Here's the back. And in the extras, she gave me Haichi. She gave me 5, but I ate one. Strawberry. This yellow kawaii pillow plushie. This chocolate chip cookie plushie. This cow plushie coin purse. And this deco down. The top came off, so it's drying now. It's really cute. Oops. And she gave me pink squishy foam so I can make my own squishies. And this wallet. It's not really a wallet though because it only has one pocket. I still like it though. So thanks for trading with me, and I love everything. Merry Christmas, guys. Subscribe and like and comment. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah.